You don't need a website, you don't need any skills, and this works worldwide. In today's video, I will show you how you can make money on complete autopilot and earn thousands of dollars with ease with a site I recently found. Stay tuned and keep watching if you're interested. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright, so the main platform I will be going over in today's video, and the platform that will also pay us, is the one called useproof.com. Now, we will be using this with just another platform later on, so this is a relatively simple and straightforward strategy to earn money online. Anyhow, I know most of you haven't heard about this platform, so let me elaborate. Useproof is a website that helps people get more conversions on their site. Or, in other words, it converts visitors into leads and sales, as is said right here. As such, the people who would benefit off this tool are website owners that are selling various products on their website. When some of those owners come and pay Useproof, they are investing a small amount of money, but they are actually gaining a lot more in return. This also leads to people wanting to stick around with this site. The vast majority of them will want to use this for a few months at least, if not for the duration of the whole year, because, as I said, it's worthwhile for them. Now, with that said, you don't need to be an owner of a website, so I won't tell you to pay Useproof to get more visitors to your site. We will instead be promoting this as an affiliate, actually. And so what you need to do when you come on their homepage is scroll down to the bottom and then click on Partners, located right over here. Now, there are several reasons that make this site worth promoting as an affiliate. For starters, as I said previously, Useproof's customers tend to stick around because this tool is profitable for them. This is important for you because you will get paid 30% recurring commissions. This means that if you refer someone to here and they keep paying Useproof for like 5 months, you will get 30% off what they paid Useproof for 5 months. So you won't get paid from just the first month only. This, of course, means that you don't need to refer too many people to earn a decent amount of money. Now, another reason we'll be promoting this site in particular is because the potential customers will all have big budgets. Remember, website owners most of the time are also owners of businesses, and so they will have money to use PayProof most definitely. And since they're business owners after all, they will be more than interested in a site like this that can actually make them money. Now, the main reason we want to promote this is because I have an easy way for you to get traffic. I will show you later on how quickly you can find people who will need Useproof and who will benefit from using it, so that you can promote this tool to them and get paid if they start using it. Now, with that said, what you need to do on this page to sign up as an affiliate is click on Join Now right here, and from there you'll just enter in some of your basic information to create your account, after which you will be able to grab that affiliate link. With that done, before we move on, I want to show you guys a couple of things regarding payment. First off, on this page, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see this frequently asked questions section, and under that is a question regarding payment. And as you can see, Useproof is available for PayPal, and for those of you who don't have PayPal available, it does have alternatives to make sure you still get paid. So it doesn't just have PayPal available per se like so many other platforms. Now, something else I wanted to show you that also regards payment is how much money you will actually be making per person you refer here. And by the way, on this page you can also see that Useproof actually offers a 14-day free trial. This is extremely helpful because when you tell some business owner that it offers a free trial, they will be far more willing to give it a try since they aren't risking their hard-earned money. And once they see the results and that this tool will actually earn them money, they will want to use it in the long term, which of course means paying them, and in turn, you will get paid as well. Anyhow, if you scroll down here, you will see that if you have 10,000 visitors a month on your site, which by the way isn't a lot at all, Useproof will charge you $66 with the annual pricing plan and $80 with the monthly one. Now let's say you refer someone here and they decide to choose the monthly plan and their site gets 10,000 visitors monthly. Since in this case it would cost $80 and you get 30% off of it, that means you would make, roughly speaking, around $25. And this is just a single customer, guys. I think you can now already see how much potential this has. 10 people is $250, 100 people is $2,500, and so on. Now, with that said, some people will choose the annual plan, and let's say for sake of simplicity that they all get 10,000 visitors on their respective websites per month. In that case, you would earn like $20 per referral every single month, which is $240 yearly. So if you refer 100 people who purchase the annual plan, you would earn $24,000 in passive income doing basically nothing. As you can see, this does have great potential to earn you a lot of money passively. And so without further ado, let me show you exactly how you will get traffic to that affiliate link. We will do just that through Google, actually. It may sound surprising, but think about it. What better place to find people who own websites and aren't getting that many visitors than Google itself? Now, what you will need to do on Google is search for a specific niche. I searched for photography courses, as you can see. I love courses, and I know there are a lot of people selling them online, so that's why I searched for that. But you don't have to focus on courses per se, or photography courses for that matter. You can search for affiliate marketing courses, Facebook ad courses, for example. Alternatively, you can just search for people who are perhaps selling clothing on their site. It doesn't make too much of a difference as long as you're searching for sites where someone is selling something and that would be interested in using use proof and would actually gain value from it. And since there are literally hundreds of millions of those sites, that means that Google is a place where you can find an infinite number of potential customers. Anyhow, what you now need to do is go over to the 3rd, 4th, or even as far as the 7th and 8th pages on Google. We are doing this because the websites on the very first pages most likely already have a decent number of visitors and wouldn't get that much value from use proof. Anyways, once you find and open a website of your own choosing, what you will need to do is find their contact information. Most of the time, it's at the top or the bottom of the page. And you now want to contact them either via email, Facebook, Instagram, or whatever. I'd personally go for email. Now, you will want to say to them something along the lines of, "Hey, I really like your website, and I know you're probably getting decent results selling your course," or whatever it is that they are selling, "but you are leaving a lot of money on the table, and I can help you out and get you far more sales than you're getting now." And then you can say something along the lines of, "I'm an internet marketing expert and I have a tool for you that can help you out and get you better results." And then you will leave the affiliate link to use proof next to that. Now you will want to repeat this process, guys, for all the websites you can find that are selling all sorts of stuff. So don't just focus on courses, as I said before, and you will want to repeat this process over and over again. Find a site, contact them, find another, and so on. And you won't need that many people to actually use proof for you to make a decent amount of money. If you contact 100 people in a day and just 5 people pay use proof, then that would already be well over $100 just like that. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.